Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to get a 500 naira voucher in your Samsung wallet. You see, the first thing you need to do is launch the app on your Samsung phone. You must be logged in, and the next thing you're going to do is look for the offers or promotions tab and tap on them. It should be at the bottom menu if you're using the new UI as of 2025. Next, you're going to check on the available offers or search Nigeria if it's location based. So tap Get Now and confirm with Samsung account or your Face ID if prompted. The voucher automatically saves in passes, so use it at checkout in supported stores. It's important for you to note that no foreign number is needed if Samsung Wallet is available in Nigeria. If the offer is invisible, check your app version, so make sure you update your app version to the latest version using Galaxy Store. And lastly, make sure that your location permission is enabled. Hope you found this video helpful.